Welcome back to another video, guys. So we're having a market outlook or a market breakdown on 50 index, a market analysis, whichever one. So we'll be taking a look at 50 index in today's video. So what's the market situation? We'll be approaching the market using price action and market structures. On 50 index, basically, I saw a nice market formation. So I thought I break it down with you guys together. I thought I share my analysis and we have a look on it together. Start from the higher time frame. So preferably the weekly time frame. You can see that market has been on a range for some time. Like we have seen this strong build up for some time now. Like the market has been in this range for quite some time now, and we had the breakout. We got the breakout at this point. We got the market breaking out of this our range. Market creating equal highs and equal lows. Then finally we got a breakout. And whenever there is a breakout of a level, we expect a retest on it, and we got exactly that. You can see we got a retest on this our zone with this rejection. So what are we to expect next on 50 index? So another thing we have to take note of, another thing we have to see or observe is that we got the market creating this lower highs structure on the weekly time frame. So we have to identify it as well. So we have seen that we got markets pushing to the downside, giving us this lower highs formation that gave us the breakout of this our zone. So that was it for the weekly time frame. We have seen the market reacting under a resistance level. This level was once a support on the resistance. It got broken and got retested. Then it's reacting to this zone. So what's the next thing? What are we to expect next? Let's go to the daily time frame to see what the daily time frame looks like. So on the daily time frame, we have seen that we got the reaction clearly on this zone. Like we got the market reacting to this our level on the daily time frame. Like we got the breakout and the retest of this our zone. So what's the next thing? What are we to expect? So after we got the breakout and retest of this our level, we can see that the market is giving us this downward sell-off. We kind of expect the market to give us a sell to this our zone, like give us a further sell-off, because we have seen that we got a break and retest of this our level. We could expect the market to give us a sell-off to this our zone to go test this our previous low, but because the market giving us a low at this point, a kind of a new low formation. So we expect the market to contest this our low, and we are still in the sell-off. So we could see a continuation. We could expect a continuation basically. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame to see what's happening on the 4-hour time frame. And on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we got this level as a level of support, like a support on resistance on the 4-hour time frame. So you have to identify this level as well. And we have seen that market is reacting under this level, like reacting to this our zone. Market has been giving us this consolidation. Like after we got the sell-off, the market has failed to give us a continuation, or like a continuation to the downside, or a reversal back to the upside. Market has just been in this zone, and this is one of the formations or the patterns we like seeing in the market, because definitely we're expecting a breakout of it, either to the upside or to the downside. So we have to identify this our structure. We have to spot it. So let's identify it by mapping it out with our trend line. So you have seen that the market is giving us this kind of a pennant formation, like this is a kind of a pennant formation. So we identify it, and whenever we got a formation of this kind, this is like a triangular formation, we expect a breakout either to the upside or to the downside. And we have seen the market is still consolidating, is still moving inside this zone, and at this point there's no, like we can't do anything at this point, because we've not seen the market giving us a clear direction, a clear movement out of this our zone. So we have to still wait for a move out of this zone to take a trade opportunity, either to the upside or to the downside. So the thing is that how to get into this trade, how to take advantage of this trade opportunity that we have seen. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame to see. So on the 1 hour time frame, I've seen that the market has been giving us this build up. Like we've had two market situations, the market creating lower highs and the market creating higher lows in this zone. Like we had the higher lows and we have the lower highs. So when we zoom out, you can see the market giving us these higher lows and a lower highs as well. That's what gave us this triangular formation that we are seeing. So the next thing is waiting for the breakout of this our zone. So you have to wait for the market to give us a break out of this our level, like a support level, because in this our formation, these two levels are acting as level of resistance and support. This level is acting as a level of resistance, while this is acting as a level of support. So we're expecting the market to give us a breakout of any of the levels, any of the zones. So we have to identify our nearest horizontal level of support or resistance, and we have seen we have this level as a level of resistance, yes, and we have this level as a level of support. Let's change the color of the stuff. So let's fill it up and change it to blue, light blue maybe. Yeah, perfect. So you have seen that we have this level as a level of support, and this level as a level of resistance. Yeah, so let's darken this as well. Let's darken it. Yeah, perfect. So we identified our zones, our level of support, and our level of resistance. So we have to wait for the market to break out of either of these levels. So, but on my own view, I'm looking out for a sell constellation. We have seen the market giving us this a break at the test, like market reacting under a resistance level. But this level was a support, like market passed us also. It was a fire to this level down. So like a kind of retest that we saw in the head that gave us this sell off. Like I'm expecting like a continuation because like we're getting this kind of a impulsive move, a consolidation, like impulsive correction, then continuation of the impulsive sell off that we're seeing. So I'm expecting a sell off on my own view to look out for sell opportunities. But either of the two, we have to look closely for market reaction on these zones and see the best trade opportunities we can get. So wait for the market to give us a breakout of this level to the downside or to the upside. But let's see if we can get a sell off, like a breakout to this our zone, a breakout of this our zone. They'll be shorting this index from this level to the downside. Let's see if we can get the breakout of this our level, then be shorting this index on the retest of this our zone, of this our level. So that's my view basically on 50 index. That's my market analysis, and that's the trade opportunities I saw on 50 index. Hope you guys understood my analysis and hope you guys enjoyed my analysis. Please remember to smash the like button and subscribe if you're a new viewer. And to my returning viewers, I really appreciate you guys. Let's do more, guys, and do have a wonderful day. Peace out.